Hello, Professor. We are Group 1. This is our video. Firstly, I will tell you the introduction of the application of our report. The aim of this project is to practice analytical method of dynamic analysis of machines, as well as reinforce computer program skills. The main part of the low-front crane is a 4-bar linkage that moves in a horizontal straight line at the coupler.
Okay, now come to calculation part. Thanks to Kim and Lee, according to their design dimension ratio, I get our design dimension R1, R2, R3, R4, R5, and the stable angle theta 1 here. And for our design, the generalized coordinates are theta 2, theta 3, and theta 4, which theta 2 is the input. In order to calculate out the range of theta 2, we had to get the relationship between R1 plus R2 and R3 plus R4, and the absolute value of R1 take away R2 and R3 take away R4, and their relationships are like here. So we can get the function of theta 2 dot is as this. Then we can get the theta 2 dot value is the angle between R2 and R1. So theta 2 in this design is equals to R2 dot theta 2 dot plus theta 1. And according to the geometrical function, we can a geometrical relationship, we can get the function like here, and also the function of A, B, and C. And then we have to calculate out the range of theta 4. We substituting the maximum and the minimum value of A, B, C into this function, and also for different assembly module, sigma equals to 1 and negative 1, we can get the range of theta 4, which the value is in the report. And then we can calculate out the range of theta 3. Theta 3 is this function, and we know all the parameters for theta 3, so we substituting R1, R4, R2, and the theta 1, theta 4, theta 2 into this function, we can get a range of theta 3. The very last thing is to calculate the curve. According to the function here, RCP equals to RQ plus R5. RQ is equals to R2. And in this function, beta is equals to pi. And here we can get the RCP, the function of RCP. And RCP in this diagram is as follows. It's equals to R2 plus R5. Yeah. And then we can get the curve of RCP, which should be a horizontal line like here.
And then I will tell you some problems we faced. Firstly, it is a code, because every members in our group are not good at the MATLAB, so we faced a very big problem when we finish the code, but we finish it. And the second problem is that the theta 3 range. You know, we found the functions on the course book, and the result is a negative number, and we changed the functions, and the result it didn't change, so we think our result is right. Then I will show you our result.